it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo-hoo! Hey, guys, today we're here with Lyriii. Yes, with respect. This one has been in my comment section for ever and ever to react to since it forward out. And I keep seeing it, so we're there. You see me? So, yeah, Lyriii with respect. Official music video. Country, big up yourself. Your production, big up yourself. You see me? Could jump in the one and see what the G has say. Apparently this guy is 15. Yeah. Apparently the Juvie is 15. Apparently, I don't know. Let me see what I go and do. Let's go.
Listen to me now, sir. You see me?
Country hat.
Stand up and me not gonna tell you something why you no more because you don't have a chance. Right now, me and you die. We die like we official. And you listen to me.
Schoolers.
Me no one up, girl, rather slap smaddy wife. Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9-piece, she bed, link up, balls and...
Listen to me now, sir. You see me?
Country hat.
Stand up and me not gonna tell you something why you no more because you don't have a chance. Right now, me and you die. We die like we official. And you listen to
Me no one up, girl, rather slap smaddy wife. Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9-piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me see why my wife because she actually tight. She see why see up on the ox, so she climb. Stop watch me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press when me see stop on the sign.
Oh, the blood clot. Hold on, man. Hold on. I'm put on my blood clot reverb. Hold on, man. Hold on. The G15 for true? Him look 15 for true. A 15? Country. Lyriii, look up and tell the G.
listen to me now, sir. You see me?
Country hat.
Stand up and me not gonna tell you something why you no more because you don't have a chance. Right now, me and you die. We die like we official. And you listen to
Me no one up, girl, rather slap smaddy wife. Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize.
Hold on. Let me check the comment section for a second to blood clot. Come on and verify that you are 15. Hold on, man. Stop watching me. Yeah, we see that. Yo, hold on, man. I'm here trying to look for enough. Hold on, man. Hold on to blood clot. Yo. Juvie. You're bad at that. Hold on, man. Let me just do my research after I do the reaction. Yeah. So hold on. The G said me not own up or me just slap smaddy wife. As long as the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. We are the man.
we die like we official. And you listen to
Me no one up, girl, rather slap smaddy wife.
Sorry for keep stopping it. Country, if you still a drop song, but I really remember that Fast and Furious rhythm, bro. All right.
Me no one up, girl, rather slap smaddy wife. Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9-piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me see why my wife because she actually tight. She see why see.
How is it blood clot?
and you listen to
Me no one up, girl, rather slap smaddy wife. Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9-piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me see why my wife because she actually tight. She see why see up on the ox, so she climb. Stop watch me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go
Stop watch me. Me no ask you for time. Stop watch me. Me no ask you for time. Get it? All right. Bad, your bad. Bad your bad. Brother bad. Sister bad. Not the bad.
me not gonna tell you something why you no more
Country at the ramp, you know.
Like we official. And you listen.
She mad out, you know.
Me
No one up, girl, just for the wife.
Run his skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me see why my wife because she actually tight. She see why see up on the ox, so she climb. Stop watch me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press when me see stop on the sign. A girl a fi have respect. France she see drag and she want fi kiss neck. And France she see half a mil all a pick tech.
Yo, the carry to this dog. Why? How are the blood clot? And that's how not I react to it. Yo! I've got some big man lyrics in there, dog.
I go chop on the line, gas me a press when me see stop on the sign. A girl a fi have respect. France she see drag and she want fi kiss neck. And France
A girl a fi have respect. A girl a fi have respect from she see jagger. She want kiss neck. How the blood clot? Detention.
A girl a fi have respect. France she see drag and she want fi kiss neck. And France she see half a mil all a pick tech. A one life either ya go live boring or your is dead. Link up.
Look at the teacher want fucking G. This is wrong, bro. This is wrong. Look at the teacher want fucking G, dog. If the G are 15, no, dog.
Holes and need them. The money stink like mud when he cake up over in a big pen. Don't know.
Man say money stink like mud when it cake up over pig pen. Yo, how should I have it there? Dig up yourself.
And need them. The money stink like mud when he cake up over in a big pen. Don't know variant drover in a zinc fence. Don't know variant drover in a that and fix it.
Turn over Range Rover in a zinc fence. So the boss I tell us say I chop him a chopping line so him have money can buy a Range Rover, but guess what him live same way? Down in the ghetto. Turn over Range Rover in a zinc fence.
Turn over Range Rover in a zinc fence. Turn over Range Rover in a that and fix it. I'm rich already and
Turn over Range Rover in that and fix it. Yes, and rich already.
a zinc fence. Turn over Range Rover in a that and fix it. I'm rich already and me I want pitney. Some other youth just a yap like Bixby.
Then just confirm, say, I'm a pitney. Me rich already and me I want pitney. Me rich already and me I want pitney. No, as a father myself. As a father myself. What do I think about this? Don't get it wrong, you know, the lyrics them bad, the song them bad, the song bad and everything. But it's really unusual, it's weird coming from a 15-year-old. I mean, as him say, him I want pitney. And it's a big woman here, I rub him down.
I say 6 like they come in a Dixie.
Yeah. Me no know.
No variant drover in a that and fix it. I'm rich already and me I want pitney. Some other youth just a yap like Bixby. I say 6 like they come in a Dixie. No local fish and if I that fire my cheese stick a be a bad bitch. They are such a killer G-sticks I who's
No. As you can see, I be a picnic in a school uniform, yeah, so both boys and girls in a school uniform, right? So, and he might chop some things, he must say some things. But the part where took me out. The part, yeah, and the part, yeah.
No local fish and if I that fire my cheese stick a be a bad bitch.
And the part, yeah. Yeah, pitney. Yeah, pitney. I'm sorry, I'm just giving my reaction, bro. The song nice, but coming from a pitney, from a 15-year-old, it's weird.
They are such a killer G-sticks, I who still a brag over flip cash and flip bricks. Rich out for Mr. Kyle and Mrs. Trish. I mean no one up, girl, me rather slap smarty wife. Funny skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me say why my wife, because she actually tight. She see why see up on the ox, so she climb. Stop watch me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press when me see stop on the sign. They panny not panny coast. Fast make a milli from me cause my phone never born with the riches, be the partially poor. Withdraw get limited of gas as the core. Me use bank like a hard that she store, but I never try and I go check it bar for me clothes. She high but I no cigar when she smoke and the sun a shine, but it juvie heart of it cold. They panny coast panny not. Grand pitney there for me holes my the data the bill them off
Go for the coast for the Grand pitney there from me holes for the data. Grand pitney there from him old smarty daughter. Remember I say him don't tell the same pitney, you know. So I'm tell her now say grandkids there from him old smarty daughter. So I'm gonna breed somebody daughter and turn the parent in a grandkid. Me blood clot. Country hype, what you do?
But I no cigar when she smoke.
Country hype.
Shine, but it juvie heart of the cold. The panic coast, panic not. Grand pitney there from me whole smarty daughter. The bill them off pay and cause she host my partner. She see a couple milli on the Porsche and the jazz job. She say me have a great house and the palm and me dog then Richard and Scotia. Me knock cap, me say me knock cap. Me not for thought that. Why? Me no one up, girl me rather slap smarty wife. When the skin clean and the crutch and the thighs. She want 9 months, she have a chop on the rice. Me say rhyme wife because she actually time. She see wife, she up on the app, so she time. Stop watch me, me no rap, she fi time. Look why not job or chop on the line. That's me a push it with me, she stop on the sign.
Yo, one thing I gotta tell you about the comment section that we meet off. When always I try to set me up in the dark, or ever try to fuck with my nerves in the dark. Because I know something I have no filter in the brother. I don't know, you know. I don't know in the dark. From where do you see that name and I think react to Lyriii respect. I just remember it because I just drop a video and somebody tweets it again. Yo. Start with country hype. The G said a pitney. See? Me know what your job you do as a producer. But isn't there any limit to where the pitney them can say? Because I as a dad myself, kids should be kids until them are adult. I strongly believe in that, bro. I strongly believe in that, fam. Lyriii, you do your thing. The big woman in the video, the teacher in the video, I have to blame you too, as an adult. At the adult, them I have to blame. Kids are not being kids anymore, dog. Like, kids are not being kids anymore. Yes, me might have sound all, yes, whatever. Kids are not being kids anymore. I strongly believe in the kids them to live out them childhood and grow up into adult. This a boy a naga school to learn nothing right now, you know. He must star, you know. He must star when I'm school, you know. He must star. You know man say? Smarty, I got turn grandfather or grandmother. Cause him go hold Smarty daughter. Eh? Him telling nice song say my pitney. Him a pitney. Country, if you authorize this? Big woman in a video where they put your name. When you got prison, mama. That's all me say still, man. You got prison. A pitney. I don't know what else to say, bro. I don't know what else to say. Yo, I'll catch you guys in the comment. I'll catch you guys in the comment section, I guess. Yeah, I guess. I'll catch you down in the comment section. Disclaimer, I'm not knocking Lyriii, because if you see, I don't put one blame on Lyriii, because Lyriii is a minor. Lyriii is a minor, so I'm going to put one blame on Lyriii. We blame them on the adult. So big up yourself, Lyriii. Yes, continue doing your thing, but tone it down a little bit as a jovie until they reach to that age of my family. You see me? But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip on earth.